There are things in the world that are really scary. And fear, I understand, lodges in your body. There are things in my childhood that were scary. So exercise for me is a way of engaging that fear and healing it. There's such a yin and yang in rowing. There's a tremendous amount of power, but the recovery is about being as calm and as still and as quiet as possible. So there's this yang and yin. And sometimes I feel like when I'm in a boat, it's possible to be a woman and a man at the same time. I have to be in perfect balance with all the elements around me, so I'm constantly in conversation with them. They're constantly influencing me. And so I think that my connection to the living world around me is my spirituality.